Before we continue, you can download the PowerPoint file I'm using, along with the 3 Word documents from the materials. However, the links will no longer be valid, so you will need to reconnect them to your own location and update the links. To update the links, go to the search bar and type Links. Click the Links icon, find the correct link, and click Change Source. Select the file you want to use and click Open. When that's done, we will hide 2 of the text fields. Then select one, go to the Animation tab, and click Add Animation. Choose Disappear. Then open the animation pane to view your new animation. Here, you can right-click and select Start with Previous. This makes the animation play automatically when you start the slideshow. If you go back and deselect the other hidden text fields, you will see how they appear when you play the slide. Therefore, we need to give them the same animation as the first text field. But before we do that, let's finish animating the first text field. Select the first text field again. Go to the Animation tab and click Add Animation. Choose Fly In. Then under Effect Options in the Animation tab, select From Left. Add another animation, but this time select Fly Out. Now, go back to the animation pane. Right-click on the Fly In animation, select Timing, and go to the Triggers tab. Then, click Triggers, select Start Effect on click of, and choose London. This refers to the London pin group we created in an earlier session. Another example of why it's important to rename your elements. Now, if you play the slide and click the London pin, the text field will appear. But to make it disappear, we first need to set up the animations for the next text field. Here's a tip. Select the text field you just animated. Go to the Animation tab and click Animation Painter. Then unhide the element you want to animate and hide the one you selected. Hover over the element you wish to animate and click with the paintbrush. Now, you have successfully applied the same animations to another text field. Go back, unhide the first text field, and click the animation pane. Repeat the same steps as before. Right-click on the Fly In animation, select Timing, and go to the Triggers tab. Then, click Triggers, select Start Effect on click of, and choose Roam. Now, we can add the Fly Out effect since we have a trigger for it. Drag the Fly Out effect for London and place it above in the trigger group for Rome. Do the same for the Fly Out effect in Rome and place it first in the trigger group for London. Then, set both Fly Out animations to Start with Previous. This ensures that if either element is currently visible, it will fly out first before the other elements appear. Now, repeat the same steps for the last text field. For me, that's Paris. When you add the last text field, you might notice that there aren't enough fly-out animations. This is because each destination needs a corresponding fly-out animation before any fly-in animation can occur. If you add additional pins, they must also be included in the animation sequence. So go back and select all text fields and add another fly-out animation. Then drag them down to their corresponding spots, ensuring there is a fly out animation for each city before the fly in animation of that city. Make sure to right-click and set all animations except the first one of the group to start with previous. Then double-check that the first trigger is assigned to the correct city trigger. And there you have it. Now, you can play the slide and click each pin. Congratulations!